patient from Mauritius, Mrs. Shadubakos. Well, I thought I got a pinch nerves, which was giving me a sciatic pain. Then after my MRI test, scan, we find that there was a cyst in my spinal cord, which need to be removed. And then after consultation with Dr. Kulkarni and team, we came here at Bombay Hospital Trust, and the team took they did a great job. I'm relieved. I am now leaving Mauritius after 10 days, but I'm happy. I don't have any pain, which I got, and I am leaving Mauritius, and I must say that here in the hospital they took great care of me. The team was great, and I'm happy.